In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to generate multiple cost estimates in CostMiner. We'll walk through a simple, repeatable workflow that keeps your numbers consistent while letting you explore different scenarios with confidence. First, build a rock-solid base estimate. Open CostMiner, head to File, then Project Manager, and click New Project. This fresh project is where you assemble the complete picture, your bill of quantities, your labor, materials, and equipment, plus the markups and taxes that apply to the job. Be thorough here. This is the estimate you trust. When you're happy with the structure and the math, save it with a clear name like Project Name Base Estimate V1. Treat this file as your reference. If your system allows, lock it or keep it read only so it's harder to change by accident. This base is the anchor for everything that follows. Next comes the most important move. Duplicate the base instead of rebuilding. In the Project Manager, select your base estimate and choose Duplicate or Copy Project. Give each copy a clear, searchable name so you know exactly what it represents. Something like Project Name Option A, Project Name Option B, or Project Name / Client Rev 1. Each duplicate is now its own estimate, with all the same structure, resources, and markups carried over. This preserves consistency across options and saves hours of rework. Consistent naming conventions make filtering and retrieval easier when your project list grows. Now modify each copy to test the scenario you're evaluating. If you're comparing design options or doing value engineering, adjust the BOQ quantities to reflect revised scopes. If labor rates have changed, update the resource rates and check any productivity assumptions that drive crew outputs. When material prices shift, swap in the new unit costs. For commercial changes, adjust overhead and profit or other markups so they match the proposal strategy for that scenario. Make edits inside the duplicates only. Never touch the base estimate. It should remain your clean benchmark for future copies. As you adjust, keep brief notes in the project description or comments so a reviewer can see what changed and why. After each set of edits, scan your totals, taxes, and markups to be sure they still align with the project's rules, and confirm that any rate updates flow through the entire estimate. With this approach, you can generate multiple, consistent CostMiner estimates quickly, compare them side by side, and provide clear pricing paths for your team or client, all without ever risking the integrity of your master estimate. Finally, keep your naming consistent and add dates or version tags so stakeholders immediately understand what each estimate represents. A simple changelog helps with auditability.